Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the popular velocity edit in CapCut. So if you want to make a velocity edit, you can actually edit it from scratch by adjusting the speed of your video. But I have luckily CapCut have the easiest way for you, or like for me who are too lazy to edit it manually, so you can just do the velocity edit like with a few clicks, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So here, prepare your video and then click on the video and go to style, and in here just swipe until you find there is the auto velocity style. So you can just with just one click, the velocity edit will be done. So just click on that and the video will generating, and it might take a while, so it depends on your length of video. So my video is actually 14 seconds, so it won't take long, and it's already done. You can also adjust the interval between two beats. So the velocity edit is actually best if you add some music with beats in it, so you can just adjust it the beats with the audio. So here, now it's generating again because I set the interval between two beats. Okay, so now it's finished, and here is the popular velocity edit that I did. You can see it's like the result is the best, but you can do this with just one click. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.